Hey, the Techbo here, and today we'll be unboxing this 4K Ultra HD TV spotting 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. That's as much for a pretty darn mid-range phone, so just kind of turn it up. It's currently $85.99 on Amazon. Links will be in the description, of course. Let's just get it out. Oh wow, this is small. Jesus. V9, 3 gigabytes, 32, in China, CPU Amlogic, I've never heard of Amlogic, and then it has TF, USB, or 2 USBs, AV optical HD LAN, DC 5V charger. Now, let's get into the, and this of course is the charger. So, the charger, looks like a charger for a small netbook. Now then, oh, is there something there? Oh, comes with an HDMI cable. Well, that's nice. Or it's 4K HDMI. Use your manual. DTV, internet, and precaution. Okay. See this one thing at the very bottom that should be the remote. Or actually, no, there's a remote. There's pretty nice. Doesn't look bad. It looks like a fully fledged TV remote, not like some other Android remotes which just look very basic. This has lots of buttons, numbers, got OK, home, numbers for access, keyboard, and then you've got off, sound, mute apps. You've got 2 mutes. Okay, skip or play. Okay, so here is the TV all set up and connected with this HDMI cable. So, sorry. Now, first notes, controller is very nice. It responds instantaneously from about here, if you look. That's the plus thumbs up on things. I bought other Android TVs, which take about 3 or 4 seconds to change everything. Of course, this thing's rocking a ton more RAM, 3 gigabytes, so it can definitely run everything very fast. Then let's look at the pre-installed apps. Miracast to cast Android devices. Then you've got Android 7.0 looking apps. Got PPOP. Let me open Droid settings. So of course it feels very fast. Haven't put on Wi-Fi yet. 7.60 gigabytes of 32, 1.1 gigabytes of 3.0 gigabytes memory. Holy crap. Let's just that seems to be nougat. So it seems to not be relying on a promise of Android 7.1.2. That's something I've got to give it props to. Comes in English. System takes a bunch up, of course. Let's see what 28 apps are installed. Got camera. Doesn't have a camera. Droid settings, Facebook. That's something to uninstall right now. It's very easy to use this controller. It's a very nice one. bunch of apps. It's nice. Now then, what's that? Let me just take a quick Google Translate search. Okay, so I've just opened Google Translate and get Chinese. So it's currently downloading. Okay, can't see from there. Zhang Zhao Technology Factory Testing Tools. Now, I don't know why they'd be testing tools. I guess to test that the system works. I don't know. But I don't need it, so I'll uninstall that. Got wireless apps like quick support, PPOE, Netflix pre-installed, multiplayer, Miracast. Now, I don't know what KDMC is. It takes a ton of storage. So let's see. Okay, so this seems to be firmware. I don't know what it is, but I'll just kind of... It seems to be firmware, so I don't think there'll be any updates coming for this app, for this system. But if there is, it's reinstallable. So let's go back to... So if you see on this controller, do apps. This might actually be apps. Let's go back. Okay. Let's go back again. Back now. Back again. Oh, it just goes to here. Okay. So then let's screen resolution is currently at 1080p at 60 hertz. That's interesting. This is supposed to be 4K, but I'm only seeing 1080p. That's a discrepancy. Dolby Vision. Don't need that, but it doesn't seem to be 4K as it's so blatantly. Maybe when we connect it to a 4K TV, it would turn 4K, but I'm not seeing it. Maybe because the cable itself is not 4K. So instantly finds any network. Okay, so it very quickly connected. So it has a good Wi-Fi chip, seems to be, because this is not Ethernet, this is Wi-Fi. So then Bluetooth. Oh, that's interesting. So I don't know how to bring that down, but it says Bluetooth. As you can clearly see, Bluetooth is disconnected. Or actually, no, it just turned itself on. I don't know. But the controller seems to work fine, so that's the important part. sleep up to 30 minutes. Wow. Okay. Hit that home button. And then let's see what. Okay, so you can add games, my files. Just all of your hard drive files. It's got that nice little thing, a nice little time and date, though it's in Chinese, Chinese format and Chinese time. I'll have to fix that. You can see what functions are working. Like, I can see that that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connected, while something connected to the USB or to the Ethernet or a TF cable, the SD card is not, which is nice. There's the settings, video, so it shows Netflix and YouTube. That's apps, and then the browser is default Chrome. It's got a Chinese thing, but is this keyboard? That's something that I don't personally like, but it's also very simple for people to use. So let's just Google. Seems to be working fine. Now let's do one more thing. So type in there speed. Boom, speed test. Oh. Okay. Okay, if you can see what I'm doing right now, I clicked this button, brought up this mouse, so hold it down, a bit more, clicks on it, that's nice. Now then, okay, I can't do it with that, so let's get back. Then let's run Google speed test. So I know that my Galaxy Tab S2 will get 74 megabytes here. Get 61.5. So this thing has a good Wi-Fi chip. I mean, a really good Wi-Fi chip. I mean, you're paying for good quality. It seems like good RAM, good amount of RAM, good Wi-Fi speed. Because you can see you can handle everything. So this thing definitely wins in that perspective. Its UI seems very nice, very practical and nice. You can see if everything's working. You've got the time and the date, everything. You've got the main things: Google Play, YouTube, and Netflix. You can just hit home to get to home, hit that for the mouse. Automatically, oh, I'm still okay. Do that again, and you're back into this format. And you see all the apps. So let's open. Okay, that's for VoIP, I guess. That's what we can put in music. That's Miracast. So, I wanted to show some family pictures. I could easily do that. Media Center. For iOS. Then Gallery. Let's see if there's anything pre-installed. Nothing. It says not a lot of bloatware. And let's see if we can open YouTube without having to sign into Google Play. Because that'd be nice. This seems to be a TV version of YouTube. I mean, let's see. Let me find myself. Oh, let me, you know what? Let's try if it has a microphone. Okay, seems like the microphone doesn't work, or at least YouTube's. This might be an old app though. But that's fine. Then let's check. So we go to tech. I can't even say my name. V tech. It's not me. There I am. So then there's something to use. Now let's click on the video. Now then, sound needs to be disabled first of all. So let's use not what I was supposed to do. It's not muted. Okay. This doesn't have its own. I should have known that. It doesn't have its own system. No. Go down. Well, let's see. Quality. Let's see what quality it's at. Oh, I think it's 720p. Never mind. So, should have known that. I also now know the screen doesn't have its own thing, but actually, pretty sure. Never mind. So YouTube is very well done. They've made sure to get the TV version, so it's very simple to use for anybody. You know, that's another pro. I've got Google Play here, which needs to be signed into, although it's showing all the functions of Android 7.1.2. So, back with the full review, but I've definitely got to say this thing is looking very good right now. Looks like a 5-star.